something that's recognizing fresh and different ways of thinking in academia is worth celebrating. So I was very pleased, obviously, when I was notified that I'm getting the award for this year. When you say about something that is controversial, you're not just talking about the thing that you're describing, you're talking about what the cultural standards are and how others are trained to think. So the fact that something is controversial says nothing intrinsic about its value or its essence. Basically, it describes that somebody communicated something in a context that is not quite ready to receive it. And that may be as much a comment on the context than it is on the matter at hand. That's how I see my work. I talk about the fact that the mind and the body can't be separated, and that emotions have a huge role to play in health and illness. Now that's controversial if you look at the curriculum of the average medical school, where they don't talk about that stuff at all. But if you look at the actual science, it's not even vaguely controversial. What keeps me motivated is very simple. I just love looking for the truth. Which doesn't mean I'm always right, but I just want to know what's going on. What's the truth here? Whether that has to do with Middle Eastern politics or science or medicine, I just don't know the truth. Also with me, what's the truth here?